Hi friends, welcome to this short informative video on the most cherished and widely eaten fruit, banana. Life is a gift from God. We no doubt value it. Eating smart and eating right surely adds a star to it. With the incredible popularity of bananas, it being the fourth most valuable crop cultivated globally, it would be a smart choice on our part to invest some of our valuable time getting to know about it closely. Let's have a look at what we are going to consider in this video. First of all, what are the calorific values of bananas? What are the health benefits of bananas? Which one would be the best choice for you? When not to eat a banana? Who should avoid eating a banana? What are the symptoms or overdose and deficiency of banana eating? To get to know more about this inexpensive and precious fruit packed with cell salts and much more, please watch this video till the end. According to the statistics compiled by the UN Food and Agriculture Organization (FAO) in 2020, bananas are produced in almost 135 countries and overseas territories across the tropical and subtropical region on a global scale. Here's the calorific values of bananas. Let's have a look at the nutrients, calories, vitamins, and minerals. Nutrients per 100 gram of banana. Dietary fiber 10%, carbohydrates 8%, and protein 2%. Calories per 100 gram of banana is 4%. Vitamins per 100 gram of banana. Vitamin B6 18%, vitamin C 15%, folate 5%, riboflavin 4%. Minerals per 100 gram of banana, manganese 13%, potassium 10%, magnesium 7%, copper 4%. Here is a calorific value chart. Those of you who want the details can pause your video here and go through it. According to this chart, we can see that it is packed with valuable minerals like potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, calcium, sodium, manganese, iron, and zinc. There are many health benefits, but we will be looking at some 24 important health benefits of banana. The first one is, it lowers blood pressure. 2. It prevents cardiovascular disorders. 3. It prevents deficiency disorders. 4. It aids in treating anemia. 5. It aids in treating piles. 6. It keeps eyes healthy. 7. It keeps the bones healthy. 8. It keeps the skin healthy. 9. It reduces inflammation related to gout. 10. It lowers arthritis-related inflammation. 11. It helps in digestion. 12. It provides relief from constipation. 13. It provides relief from stomach ulcers. 14. It helps cure kidney disorders. 15. It relieves muscle cramps. 16. It combats depression. 17. It boosts energy levels. 18. It is said to provide hangover relief. 19. It is an excellent pre-workout food. 20. It is a great antioxidant. 21. It lowers chance of asthma. 22. It works as an anti-aging agent. 23. It prevents bone degeneration. And 24. It lowers morning sickness during pregnancy. After getting to know this wonder fruit closely, we will never want to say no to it. Don't you agree? But wait a minute, we haven't finished yet. Depending on our body condition, we need to see which one is the best for our health. Let's have a look. It is usually classified into 3 categories: green, yellow, and brown or black. The green or the raw one is a great source of prebiotics. It has a greater satiety and has highest resistant starch. But keep in mind, if you are constipated, don't ever go near it, since it has a tendency to make you more constipated. Next we come to the yellow or the ripe one. It has a higher level of antioxidant. It is sweeter and can be digested quickly. It is a boon for those suffering from constipation. But on the other hand, if you are diabetic, be careful to limit its usage. The brown or the black one. It usually refers to the skin color of the fruit. It is the overripe ones. It is the sweetest and it is definitely a no for those with diabetes. But on the other hand, if you want to increase your antioxidant level, you can go for it. It is also good for those who are constipated. You may find it difficult to eat the overripe ones, so you can opt to transform it into various dishes. And you can also use it as a face mask, so don't throw them away. Many wonder as to when not to eat a banana, and here is the answer. You should always avoid eating a banana on an empty stomach, as it may cause electrolytes imbalance in your body. When you have a cough, since it tends to increase the secretion of phlegm. And also if you're allergic to it and tend to get hives and rashes or an attack of migraine headache. Now let's come to the most important point. Who should avoid eating bananas? Potassium is an important and essential cell salt that aids in the proper functioning of our cells and generate the electrical charges that keep the cell functioning properly. It also helps in regulating the fluid imbalance, nerve signals, and muscle contractions in our body. But at the same time, an overdose of potassium can be harmful, especially for those taking beta blockers or those who are on prescribed drugs for kidney, blood pressure, neurological, and heart diseases. So please consult your doctor whether you are advised to take bananas or not, or how many bananas you can take per day. Just like the two faces of a coin, even bananas have a pro and con tag attached to it. So what are the risk factors? Let's see. The major question that bothers many is what happens to our body if we eat too many or too few bananas. Follow along as we navigate through it. We will consider the overdose and deficiency part of it. First, the overdose. You may have seen people eating only bananas throughout the day and they might be enjoying it a lot. And you may be tempted to eat bananas, isn't it? Well, it may not affect a person who is healthy, but surely it matters to those who have health problems or the elderly. How do we know that we have taken an overdose? Here are the symptoms you should not miss out. Headache or migraine. Sleepiness. Hyperkalemia or an excess of potassium. Nerve damage. It may also lead to cardiac arrest. If we have a deficiency of the daily required calorific values, then our first choice should always be a banana. How do we know? Let's find out. Muscle cramps is surely one of the symptoms. Hypokalemia or low potassium level. Weakness or a tired feeling. Constipation. Arrhythmia or irregular rhythm of the heart. Now that you have got an overall idea of the benefits of eating a banana, never say no to a banana if you are healthy. At the same time, be careful if you have health problems. Eat healthy and be safe. Thanks for watching. Please share this valuable piece of information with your family and friends.